Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct, and in today's video we're going to cover the most affordable mobility scooters that are actually worth considering. And I say that because there are many cheap scooters out there that are not worth a penny being sold online. In today's video we're going to review the most trusted name brand scooters that are affordable in 2024 and in 2025. Starting with the most affordable option of them all, known as the Vive Health scooter, starting at $647 at the time of this video being published. It is available in a four-wheel version as well, the difference being that the four-wheel is more stable. The three-wheel is going to be able to turn sharper. They both are going to come apart the same way. They have flip-up armrests, rotating seat, height-adjustable seat post, so you can adjust many different things on this scooter. It has a really easy to use and understand dash with controls on it like you would see in most scooters. It has a light kit, automatic brakes, which means all you have to do is let go of the throttle and it will come to a complete stop. You can use your left or your right hand to control the throttle like most of the scooters that you're going to see in this video. The one thing I don't like about it is the disassembly process. There's a lot of steps involved, which makes it difficult to take apart and put back together. Even I, as a technician and someone who's been dealing with mobility scooters for over 10 years, had a really hard time figuring out how to take it apart and put it back together. I'm sure once you've got enough practice, it's going to become easier. But overall, the one thing I really don't like about it is how difficult it is to take apart. When you're going to put it in the trunk of your car, you can expect to get frustrated. And if it's hot outside, you could probably expect to start sweating a little bit. That's the one thing that I don't like about it, but hey, you get what you pay for. Now, some of the other models that come apart you're going to see are a lot easier to take apart and put back together, but if you're fixed on spending the least amount of money possible on a good quality scooter made by a company that's going to provide good warranty support, then you can consider the Vive Health scooter. Again, there is a four-wheel version for $699 and the three-wheel version is $674.99 at the time of this video. If you want to compare specifications or see full specifications on any model, visit our website. We have a comparison feature and more specs than any other website out there. By the way, we also have a video showing you the most affordable electric wheelchairs of 2024. And we offer a free product catalog that's going to have our latest products, discount codes, and a ton of information about our company. I highly recommend claiming a copy. You can either go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of the page that says free catalog and fill out the simple short form. Or you can call the number at the bottom of the screen, speak with one of our non-commissioned sales experts, and they'll process a catalog request for you. You can also just click on the top right-hand corner of the screen, and you can also come by one of our locations to test drive any of these products. We'd love to earn your business. We have a 5-star rated support staff, and we are a small local business. We offer in-home service agreements and excellent warranty support for most of our products. Now, I also want to tell you about our giveaway program. We give away mobility scooters all the time to random people who subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. So if you want to try your luck, all you have to do is subscribe to the YouTube channel. You're already here. It's free to do. Just hit the subscribe button and leave a comment on any video. Like the last few winners you're seeing on the screen now, you too could be the next lucky winner of a mobility scooter or an electric wheelchair. With that being said, let's get into my favorite option. This is going to be the best value mobility scooter, and that's going to be the GoGo Elite Traveler 2. It travels up to 4.2 miles per hour, has a weight capacity of 300 pounds, can travel up to 13 miles per charge. It has automatic brakes, and it comes apart super easily. Not like the Vive Health. This thing is super easy to take apart. The heaviest piece is going to weigh 35 pounds when it's broken down, and it breaks down into 5 lightweight pieces. You have a ground clearance of 3.15 inches, lifetime warranty, and you even get a 1-year in-home repair contract to cover any warranty defects. To take it apart, you just take the seat off, take the basket, lower the handlebar, take the battery pack out, which has a handle on it, and then you can detach the front half from the rear half with ease. There's really nothing to it. It's the easiest scooter to take apart and put back together out of any other mobility scooter on the market, guaranteed. Now, this scooter is going to retail for $1,349. I know it's a little more expensive, but it's worth every penny. It's not only one of the best looking scooters, it's also going to be one of the most comfortable options with a very, very comfortable seat that has a mesh back to it, so it's breathable. You're not going to get too hot. It's just overall got a really slick design. It's a brand new scooter. It just came out, really well made, and it has a turning ability that's unlike any other four-wheel scooter. You're going to get the benefits of having a stable four-wheel scooter, and it's going to turn as sharp as a three-wheel scooter. Not many other models out there do this. You can see the wheels almost turn at a 90-degree angle when you turn the handlebars all the way. So we're going to do a U-turn here to demonstrate for you how sharp it turns, and then do another U-turn with a scooter that doesn't have this turning ability, and it's going to be clear how much sharper the GoGo Elite Traveler 2 can turn. So we just did a U-turn with the Elite Traveler 2. Now we're going to do a U-turn with a different model known as the GoGo Endurance. Same thing, just doesn't have that front end that allows the wheels to turn so sharply. And as you can see, it takes a lot more space to do a U-turn on the GoGo Endurance. Both are great options, but the Elite Traveler 2 is one of the newest models, and in my opinion, worth the extra few dollars. Now, if you want to get something that's very similar to the Elite Traveler 2, the Elite Traveler 1 is still available in a 3 and a 4-wheel configuration, very dependable, great option for indoor or outdoor use. Same as the Elite Traveler 2, it just doesn't have that really sharp turning radius on the 4-wheel version. But if you get the 3-wheel version, you're going to be able to turn just as sharply, and it's going to have a little bit of extra foot space. The Elite Traveler 1 starts at $11.99 at the time of this video being published. I will put links in the description to every single one of these products so you can learn more about them. Pride Mobility offers a 1-year in-home repair contract with all of their products. Vive Health does not keep that in mind, and most of the other brands in this video will not include that in-home repair contract. Such as the Super Handy OG, which starts at $6.99. It doesn't include that 1-year in-home service agreement, but it's super lightweight. It weighs 35 pounds fully assembled, and it has 2 batteries on it, so you can travel an extra long distance. It has a weight capacity of 275 pounds. It folds up into a very compact shape, comes with a front basket. You could just take the seat off. It has a bicycle style clamp on the seat post, and then the frame actually collapses as well. You can also detach the entire steering column, and once it's completely disassembled and folded, it can fit in the trunk space of a very small vehicle. It can fit in a lot of really small storage spaces. It doesn't have automatic brakes. You have to use a manual brake lever, and Super Handy makes a bunch of other really inexpensive scooters that are reliable. They offer great warranty support. You can get the Super Handy Plus, which has a more comfortable seat, for $7.99. The next scooter on the list is going to be, in my opinion, the most powerful option for $9.99. So it's under $1,000, comes apart just like the GoGos. Maybe not as easy, but pretty easy. Definitely a lot easier compared to the Vive. The Journey Adventure scooter, what makes this one special is the fact that it can handle inclines and going on grass very well. I was very surprised to see just how well it performed on grass. Now again, it's very comparable to the GoGo Elite Traveler. The difference being it's not going to turn as sharp, and it's not going to have that brand recognition behind it. Pride Mobility is the most trusted name brand in the industry, so when you need parts or you need a warranty claim, you can expect everything to go smooth and quickly. Journey, on the other hand, is not as big of a manufacturing company. However, the product holds up. So far, we've had nothing but positive feedback, and it's under $1,000. So the next scooter is going to be the GoGo Ultra X, starting at $1,149. It's available in a 3 and a 4-wheel configuration. It's very similar to the Elite Traveler. In fact, I'm pretty sure they're going to eventually discontinue the Elite Traveler 1, and they're only going to continue to sell the GoGo Ultra X, available in a 3 and a 4-wheel configuration. If you want to see more information on this product, I'll put the links in the description. Keep in mind, folks, we have the most active YouTube channel in the industry. We have videos for everything. We have videos showing you what it's like to travel by plane, going to theme parks, traveling by bus, by train. We have unboxing and assembly videos, and right now we're offering up to 25% on select models. So if you are in the market for a reputable mobility scooter, a well-known brand, now's the time. We have holiday specials, Black Friday deals, Halloween deals, Christmas deals, even starting early now. If you want a mobility scooter to make memories with your loved ones, or just to go grocery shopping, or even things as simple as going out to your favorite restaurant for a bite to eat with some friends or family, A mobility scooter can make all of that possible. We have folding options that are super easy to transport in your vehicle. We have TSA friendly and airline approved mobility scooters that you can take with you on an airplane. And again, we have videos showing you what that's like if you're interested in learning what it's like to travel with a mobility scooter by plane. Or if you just like going fishing, enjoying the great outdoors, we also have off-road mobility scooters. They are a little more expensive because they have bigger motors, bigger tires, suspension, all the bells and whistles, but we have mobility scooter options for everyone, and we'd love to earn your business. We have non-commissioned sales experts ready to take your call with the number below. They're not here to push you into something you don't need. They're just going to recommend a product that's the right fit for your needs and your body type. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Please give us a call. We'd love to hear from you, and pay attention. Our next video is going to be even better. I hope to see you then. Have a great day, everyone.